Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video session. In this session, we'll be diving into Python related questions and answers, taking them one by one. I am sure you will find this video helpful and informative. Let's get started. Today, we discuss about Python function questions, answers. First of all, we discuss about these questions and finding them answers step by step. Question. What will be the output of the following Python function? Function len of start bracket hello 246. In this list contains strings and integers. We all know what is string and integers. A string in Python is a sequence of characters. In Python, strings are used to represent text data and are enclosed in either single quotes or doubles. Strings can contain letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces. They are versatile and commonly used for representing textual information in programs. And integers are a fundamental data type in programming that represent more numbers. In Python, integers are specified without a decimal point. They can be positive, negative, or zero. This list contains four elements. It is hello is a string, two is an integer, four is an integer, six is also an integer. Using the length of function in this string to get the number of items in an object and apply it to a list, it returns the number of elements in that list. The length of square bracket hello 246 expression evaluates the number of elements in the list, which is 4. Therefore, the output of the function for length of square bracket hello 246 will be 4. Here, the length function will count all the elements in the list and use the answers. We discuss about the second question. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Code for I in square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 square bracket double colon minus 1 colon print I comma and equal to single quotes. Here, square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 is the original list. Square bracket double colon minus 1 is a list size notation which creates a reversed copy of the list. For I in square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 square bracket double colon minus 1 colon, this iterates over each element I in the reverse list 4, 3, 2, 1. The print statement print I comma and equal to single quotes. This prints each element I followed by a space and equal to single quotes ensures that the print statement ends with a space instead of a new line. Executing the reversal list on the first iteration I is 4, so it prints 4 followed by a space. On the second iteration I is 3, so it prints 3 followed by a space. On the third iteration I is 2, so it prints 2 followed by a space. In the fourth iteration I is 1, so it prints 1 followed by a space. Therefore, the output of the code snippet will be 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the next question. Which one of the following is not a keyword in Python language? Options: Option A pass, Option B eval, Option C assert, Option D non-local. Python keywords are reserved words that have special meanings and purposes within the language itself. These keywords cannot be used as identifiers such as variable names or function names because they are already designated for specific syntactical purposes in Python code. Here, we briefly explain of these options events in this question. First, pass. This keyword is used as a placeholder, indicating that no action is to be taken. It's commonly used in situations where syntactical required code is needed, but the programmer doesn't want to perform any operation. Option B, eval. Eval is not a Python keyword because this is a built-in function. We all know what is built-in function. A built-in function in Python is a function that is readily available and can be used directly within the Python program without the need to define it first. These functions are part of the Python standard library and cover a wide range of functionalities from mathematical operations to file handling, string manipulation, and more. Here, simply eval is not a Python keyword. This is not a Python keyword. Eval is a built-in function in Python that evaluates a string as a Python expression. It is used to dynamically execute code that is represented as a string. Option C, assert. This keyword is used for debugging purposes. It evaluates an expression and raises an assertion error if the expression is false. Option D, non-local. This keyword is used to declare that a variable inside a nested function, a function defined within another function, is not local to it, meaning it should refer to a variable in the nearest and closest spot, usually the output function. Since eval is not listed among Python's keyword, so the correct answer in this question is option B, eval. We discuss the next question. What will be the output of the following Python code? Code class tester def underscore initiate underscore of self id colon self dot id equal to string of id equal to 24, temp equal to tester of 12, printed of temp dot id. Here, the line 2 begins the definition of a class named tester. Line 3 starts define the initiate method, which is the constructor for instance of the class. It takes two parameters. One is self, which represents the instance of the class itself, and second one is id, a parameter that will be used to initialize an instance variable. The line 6 assigns the instance variable self id to the string representation of the id parameter passed to the constructor string of id. In this case, when temp equal to tester of 12 is executed, later it will initialize self id to 12. Line 7 assigns the string 224 to a local variable called id. Line 8 creates an object named temp of the class tester, passing 12 as the id parameter. This triggers the execution of the initiate method defined in the tester class. Line 9 prints the value of the temp id since self id is set to string of id inside the initiate method and id was told when tester of 12 was called self id becomes 12. This is because self id was set to 12 during the initialization of the tester object, temp and this value remains unchanged and accessible through temp id. The local variable id equal to 224 does not hold the self id since it exists only within the scope of the initiate method and does not affect the instance variable self id. After executing the entire program, you will get the answer 12. We discuss the next question. What will be the output of the following Python program? Program def full of x for x square bracket 0 equal to square bracket def x square bracket 1 equal to the square bracket a b c return id of x equal to q equal to square bracket a b c def print of id of q equal to full of q. Here we step by step analyze what happens in this program. Foo x takes a list x as an argument, x square bracket 0 equal to def modifies the first element of x to be a new list def x square bracket 1 equal to a square bracket a b c modifies the second element of x to be a new list a b c. Returning the id, x returns the memory address id of the list x. The id of function provides a unique identifiers for the object in memory. Q equal to square bracket a b c comma d equals. This creates a list Q with two strings elements a b c and d equals. Here, foo of x is called with q as the argument inside foo. The list q is modified. The first element q is changed to def. The second of q is changed to abc. The function returns the id of the list q, which remains the same as the original id of q because q is modified in place, not replaced. Print of id of q equal to foo plus q compares the id of q before and after calling foo of q since foo of q returns the same id as id of q because the list q was modified in place. The comparison id of q equal to foo of q evaluates to true. After executing the entire program, you will get the answer true. We discuss the next question. What will be the output of the following Python program? Program set equal to set of ABC, set dot add of SAT, set dot update of set of bracket PQ set. Here the given options are option A, C, C, P, Q, S, A, N. Option B, A, B, C, P, Q, SAT. Option C, A, B, C, P, Q, SAT. Option D, A, B, C, square bracket, P, Q, SAT. Here, in this question, the set of function is used to create a set from the string A, B, C. In Python, a set is a collection of unique elements that are unordered. The string A, B, C is treated as an iterable where each character in the string becomes an element in the set. Thus, set ABC creates the set curly bracket A, B, C. Set dot add of SAN. The add of method is used to add a single elements to a set. Here, SAN is a string and it is added to the set. Set dot update of set of square bracket PQ. Update of method add multiple elements to a set. Set of PQ creates a set from the list PQ resulting in curly bracket PQ. This adds to the existing set. After the operation, the set becomes A, B, C, set PQ or A, B, B, C, Q, set or A, B, C, P, Q, set. because sets in Python do not maintain any specific order, but the content will be same. We discuss the next question. What arithmetic operators cannot be used with the strings in Python? Options. Option A multiplication. Option B addition. Option C subtraction. Option D all of the mentioned. In Python, string supports some arithmetic operators, but not all. In Python, there are so many arithmetic operators. Here's how each of arithmetic operators interact with the strings. First one, option A, multiplication. This operator can be used with strings to repeat the. For example, here we use hello multiplied by 3. After executing this, we will get the answer hello into 3 times. So this supports strings. The second one, option B, addition. This operator can be used with strings to concatenate the. For example, here we use two strings hello and bird. Using the addition, after executing this operation, we get the answer hello world because using the addition, these two strings are concatenated. And the third one, option C, subtraction. These operator cannot be used with strings. Attempting to use subtraction strings will result in type error. For example, we use hello subtract word. After executing these, we will get the answer type error because this cannot support strings. So the correct answer to this question is option C, subtraction. We discuss the next process. Each of the following statement is used to create an empty set in Python. Options. Option A, arm bracket. Option B, square bracket. Option C, curly bracket. Option D, set of. First of all, we analyze these options given in this question step by step. First one, option A, arm bracket. This is used for creating tuple or for grouping expressions. For instance, unbracket 1, 2 creates a tuple with two elements and a round bracket by itself. It is an empty tuple. It does not create a set. The option B, square bracket. This is used for creating lists. For example, square bracket 1, 2, 3 creates a list with three elements and square bracket creates an empty list. It does not create a set. And the option C, curly bracket. This syntax is used for creating dictionaries in Python. For example, curly bracket 1 colon A 2 colon B creates a dictionary with the two key value pairs. And curly bracket by itself creates an empty dictionary. It does not create a set. And the option D, set of. This is correct way to create an empty set in Python calling set of. Without any arguments, initializes an empty set. Unlike dictionaries, sets are collections of unique elements and do not store key value pairs. So the correct answer is question. Which of the following statement is used to create an empty set in Python? Is option B, set of. We discuss the next question. What will be the value of results in the following Python program? This is a program. The given options are option A 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Option B 1, 7, 8. Option C 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Option D error. Here we create three lists named as list 1, list 2, list 3. containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 7, 8. And the result equal to list of is an empty list initially. Here, we processing the first line, that is, result dot extend of I for I in list 1 if I not in list 2 plus list 3 and I not in result. Here, the combined list 2 plus list 3 is 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 7, 8. For each element I in list 1, the list 1 contains 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, that is the combined list for list 2 plus list 3, and this is list 1. Here, 1 is not in this combined list and not in this result, so it added to results. 2 is in this list, so it is skipped. 3 is not in this list and not in this result, so 3 is added to the result. And 4 is in this list, so 4 is skipped. After this, we get the result 1, 3. And the second line, result dot extend of I for I in list 2 if I not in list 1 plus list 3 and I not in result. Here the combined list is list 1 plus list 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. And for each element I in list 2, list 2 contains 2, 4, 5, 6. That is 2, 4, 5, 6. Here, 2 is in this list, so it skipped. 4 is in this list, so it skipped. 5 is not in this list and not in this result, so it added to result. 6 is in this list, so it skipped. After this line, the result is 1, 3, 5. On the third line, result dot extend of I for I in result list 3 if I not in list 1 plus list 2 if I not in results. Here, the combined list 1 plus list 2 containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6. And the list 3 containing 2, 6, 7, 8. The 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, 2 is in this combined list, so it skipped. 6 is in this combined list, so it is skipped. 7 is not in this combined list, not in this result, so it added to result. 8 is not in this list and not in this result, so it is added to result. After this line, you get result 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. And the final executing this program, we will get the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. So the correct answer in this question is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, option A. We discuss the next question. Which of the following Python statements will result in output 6? A equal to square bracket 1, 2, 3, square bracket 4, 5, 6, square bracket 7, 8, 9. The given options are option A, square bracket 2, square bracket 1. Option B, A, square bracket 1, square bracket 2. Option C, A, square bracket 3, square bracket 2. Option B, A, square bracket 2, square bracket 3. The variable A is a two-dimensional list. That means a list of lists defined as A, square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This can be visualized as a matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. Here, the row 0, that is 1, 2, 3, row 1, that is 4, 5, 6, row 2, that is 7, 8, 9. In Python, list indexed starting from 0. This means a square bracket 0 refers to the first row, which is 1, 2, 3. A square bracket 1 refers to the second row, which is 4, 5, 6. A square bracket 2 refers to the third row, which is 7, 8, 5. To access the number 6, identify first, we identify the row 6 is in the second row, that is index 1, because Python uses zero basic indexing, and then identify the column within the second row 6 is the third element, that is index 2 is 0, 1, 2. Thus, A square bracket 1 gives you the second row, that is 4, 5, 6, and A square bracket 1 square bracket 2 access the third element of the row, which is 6. That is, when you use the statement print A square bracket 1 square bracket 2, Python first retrieves the second row from A and then retrieves the third element from that row. These result in the output 6. Here, we print the A square bracket 1 square bracket 2, and after executing this, we will get the answer 6. So the correct answer in this question is option B, A square bracket 1 square bracket 2. We discussed the next question. What will be the output of the following Python program? I equal to 0, while I less than 5, print of I plus or equal to 1, if I equal to 3, break, else print of 0. The given options are option A error, option B 0, 1, 2, 0, option C 0, 1, 2, option D none of the mentioned. Here, let's break down the execution of the program in detail. First of all, the I is initially set to 0. So the first iteration starts. I less than 5, I is 0. So 0 less than 5 is true. So we enter the loop. Print of I prints 0, the current value of I. I plus or equal to 1 increases I to 1. If condition I equal to 3 is 4. So the break statement is not executed. The else clause prints 0 because the else clause is executed when the if condition is false. And then the second iteration starts. I less than 5, the I is 1, so 1 less than 5 is still true. So we proceed with the loop. Print of I prints 1. I plus 4 equal to 1 increases I to 2. If I equal to 3 is still false. So the break statement is not executed. After this, the else clause prints 0. And the third iteration, if I less than 5, I is 2. So 2 less than 5 is true. So the loop continues. Print of I prints 2. I plus 4 equal to 1 increases I to 3. If I equal to 3 is now true because I is 3 and here is 3. So 3 equal to 3 is true. So the break statement is executed. After that, the break statement terminates the loop. At this point, the loop exists and the program terminated. After executing this program, we will get the answer 0, 1, 2. So the correct answer in this question is option C, 0, 1, 2.